The highest quality shower valve on the market is now faster and easier to install. Plumbers have trusted the Symmons Temptrol shower valve for decades because of its bulletproof durability and ease of maintenance. Installed in over 15 million showers in homes, apartments, hotels, and other commercial applications since 1968, Temptrol's superior quality and durability have delivered unparalleled reliability in even the most demanding environments. With the goal of helping our customers keep their costs down, we've updated Temptrol to make it faster and easier to install. The new Temptrol valve has the same great engineering and quality Temptrol valves are known for. It still has sturdy American-made all-metal construction and our TA10 pressure balancing flow control spindle. Now, Temptrol has new features that help lower your installation cost, including an available rapid installation mounting bracket that can reduce install time by up to 67% per valve, available factory-installed fittings that reduce the need to sweat in connections, inlets and outlets on a single plane, which simplifies installation, an available test cap that allows the system to be pressure tested without the risk of sediment getting into the spindle, a streamlined valve body that will fit into a 2x3 or modular wall, and a host of other features and options that make Temptrol your ideal solution. The new Temptrol valve also works with all of Symmons' beautifully designed, high-quality decorative trims. As always, every single Temptrol valve is fully tested in Symmons' Braintree, Massachusetts factory before it's ever shipped to a customer. So you know that when you use Temptrol, you are using the best. Symmons Temptrol. The best just got better.